We service over 500 major brands. And over the past decade, it is amazing what any individual, anywhere, anytime, within minutes can do with a brand, whether it's email, whether it's fake websites, whether it's social media, whether it's brand extortion, or just putting logos out there that consumers want to click on for a coupon, and all of a sudden they lose their identity. And if enough people click on your logo and lose their identity, they're not going to click on your logo anymore, and you're not going to become trusted, and your reputation will be tarnished. Brands need to be vigilant regarding what is being said and what is being done by their employees, by their customers, by their contractors, so they are aware of how they're being represented online. I mean, in the old days, it was very, very simple. If you saw a billboard that XYZ sucks, someone would report it, and legal would have that billboard down in seconds. Nowadays, somebody could put up 1,600 or 1,000 billboards called blogs in WordPress or any other medium, and it just goes viral. What is interesting is the companies that are really doing well aren't talking about it. They're not talking about it because they're fully integrated. They got risk, they got compliance, they've got governance, they've got customer complaints going right into their call centers. You know, people are talking about likes and Facebooks and everything else. They're using multiple platforms in multiple departments for different needs. It's not one solution is everything. I mean, it's really exciting. I met with the CEO of a top 10 insurance company. And I said, what does your reputation mean to you? And he said, well, our reputation is really all we have. And I said, well, what if there was a reputational event, say on the internet? And he said, well, that means we'd probably lose 10% of our market cap, and I'd fire the CMO. And I went back to the CMO and said, do you understand if there was a reputational event, your job is on the line? He said, no, never really thought about it that way. And it's kind of where we are in that the internet provides such phenomenal opportunity for the brand, but it also provides phenomenal risk for the brand in the event something does happen. So when there is this viral storm, you really hope to create in a pay it forward notion with your customers. You also have to be aware of tipping points on both sides. What's happening that's really great and taking off, and what's happening that could cause reputational damage.